A Swannanoa mom says because of a rare disease, her 9-year-old boy is fighting for his life.
Yeah, as News 13's John Lee tells us, the family's found hope in a stranger.
You never know where Tony Smith might be needed. As a maintenance expert, he's well qualified for his latest project, especially because of his experience.
Being a father of 5 boys.
That's exactly why he was compelled to act. Less than 2 weeks ago, Tony took another child under his wing. While replacing an air filter on the job, he met Eric Gosnell Garcia in his apartment.
And so when I saw him on the couch, I said, "Hey, what's up, buddy?" And he just kind of blank stared through me.
Little Eric has autoimmune encephalitis.
So that was why he was pretty much in a vegetable state.
Fighting for his life at Duke Medical Center.
The longer that I stood there listening to the prognosis and the diagnosis, the more I felt like I had to do something.
Tony's organized a softball tournament in Black Mountain this weekend to help the family financially.
I'm so grateful to meet Tony.
Eric's mother, Melinda, spoke to us by phone from Duke Medical Center. Melinda says her son had a seizure in June, which led to weeks of figuring out the problem, never imagining
his own antibodies are attacking his brain as if it's a foreign object.
With Eric ailing, Melinda lost her job.
One thing that I would ask people to think about is consider yourself in a scenario where you would lose all of your income for at least a month to month and a half. How much money would you need to stay on top of your bills?
And his moral support means the world right now.
And I called him at 1 o'clock in the morning and cried my heart out to him because I had no one else to call. And he stayed on the phone with me for an hour just listening to me.
A stranger no more. Tony's now committed to helping the kid who reminds him of his own sons, touched that the picture of health can change in a heartbeat.
It just pulled on my heartstrings.
And Tony says he's gotten a church to donate money that will cover about 1 month's rent for the family. If you'd like to help the cause, maybe play some softball, log on to WLOS.com and click News.